Hey guys, update on my DIY tool bag that I'm working on. Everything in this bag is under $10, and I'm trying to make up to get all necessary DIY tools for under $10. And then once this tool bag is full, I'm gonna give it for free to somebody that is committed to watching my channel and watching my videos. So far, this is what we have in here. If you can see, we have these. We have the channel lock. Level, screwdriver, this changes. We got a hammer, a wrench, a knife, a tape measure, and this tool right here. And so those are so far what I have in this bag, but I was able to get another tool that I wanted to share with you guys. I got this 39-piece tool right here. It's got a 1/4 inch and 3/8 inch drive socket wrench set that I'm going to put in here as well. And they should be able to keep adding on this tool and get a full, and then I will donate this to somebody who is subscribed on my channel. So if you know somebody that would need one of these and they don't subscribe my channel, please lead them over here and so they can subscribe to Simple Step DIY channel, so they can get this. They could potentially be lucky winners of this bag. So this one has 39 pieces. It's got a ratchet wrench also with 39 pieces in here. I haven't opened it at all, but this was under $10 at Home Depot. So if you're looking for something like this that you might want to use, please run to Home Depot. They might still have them, I'm not sure, but this is a pretty good deal, I think. So I'm gonna share with you guys as slowly as I fill this bag. It's not full yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there, you know. The necessary tools. So I might have to buy something that's above $10, like a cheap drill, because you need a drill as a homeowner to complete your bag. But most of the small little things that you need, it's in here, and we're just getting closer and closer to get this done. And as soon as it's done, I will let everybody know on my channel, and we can all celebrate, and I will find who wins this. Just post, subscribe, and then on this video that I posted before about this bag, just say DIY tool bag on it, and I'll know that you're interested in it. Okay? And please watch my other videos, subscribe on my channel, and support my channel. And let's build things together. And I'll see you in the next video. See you later.